Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take raw photos on Insta360 GO Ultra. A raw photo captures more details that are not really visible to the eye, but it captures it in the photo, so later in post-production when you edit that photo, you can just see more on the photo, you can do more with the photo without losing the quality during editing of the photo, so that's really great. And if you want to take a raw photo, you'll need to click on this megapixel button. You need to be in photo mode first of all, so click on the mode button and then click on the megapixel button, and now you can select format, and you can find either standard pure shot, so it's just gonna take a normal photo, or pure shot plus raw, so it's gonna take two at once, a normal photo and a raw photo that you can later edit. And remember, it'll take more storage, but sometimes in some scenarios when you know you would like to edit that photo later, you probably would love to just have a raw photo. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.